Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, and this is Maurice from the Best Online Tutorials channel. And in today's video I'll be showing you how to create a resume on Canva. Alright guys, so you want to go about creating a resume that looks like this. It's quite easy to get this done. So your first step, as usual, would be to open up Canva. Make sure you have an account on Canva. If you do not have an account on Canva, simply use the sign up option to simply sign up for Canva and then proceed to sign into your Canva account. And once you have signed in, all you need to do is quite simple. From the home icon, click on home here, select templates, and in the search, go ahead and type in resume. Once you have typed in resume, you're met with a list of resumes you can either recreate or edit. Now, Canva gives us the opportunity to make use of what we call templates. And Canva gives you the opportunity to simply edit any of these templates to suit your liking or narrative. All right, so all you need to do to, create your resume is go ahead and select any of the templates that are made available to you. We have templates that are premium, and we also have the free option for templates. So the better looking the template is, the higher chances you could actually make use of the resume. So I went ahead to open up one of the resumes here, and now all you need to do is simply fill in the details, change the name, the position, the color scheme. You could even make the entire color scheme something unique, like make it yellow, orange, or light orange like this, so it actually stands out, and have something good. And then all you need to do is just simply zoom into some areas so you can actually edit and change the qualifications and include your education as well. All right guys, so once you're done with this, you can now simply click on share at the top right, and then click on download here, and then select a download medium, either a PDF or JPEG or PNG, and then just hit on download and you're done. So guys, that's how you can easily go about this. Comment down below if you have any questions. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more content. Thank you.